Dito sa San Fernando Air Base sa Lipa, the Philippine Air Force AETDC trains the second batch of BSAT students from the Philippine State College of Aeronautics. Sila ay nagsasanay upang mabuo ang disiplina at mahubog ang lakas ng katawan bago sila magsimula sa kanilang flight training. Ito ay tinatawag na Physical and Discipline Training na dinisenyo para sa air transportation students ng PhilSCA bago sila magsimula sa kanilang flight training. Ito ay libre din kagaya ng flight training at ito ay ginaganap sa ilalim ng gabay at patnubay ng Philippine Air Force AETDC. Ito ay ang third phase ng familiarization at transition phase ng BSAT students galing sa academic phase sa campus. The Phase 1 starts with a flight orientation and simulation at the Philippine State College of Aeronautics Flying School. The Phase 2 includes a facility visit sa hangar. Then, basic pilot practices will be shown and discussed. Verbal and non-verbal communications will also be discussed. At dito na magsisimula ang Phase 3, which is the final phase of the transition bago magsimula sa ground school ang BSAT students. The Phase 3 runs for 10 days and is broken down into various drills, practical activities, lessons, and team building activities. Before BSAT students begin the third phase, they are required to undergo multiple medical tests to ensure that they are fit and are able to safely undergo and complete the training. Upon arriving at PAF AETDC, a final physical examination will be conducted and the medical results will be examined. The activities for the day will consist of orientations and briefings, and students will be split into groups or platoons for the team building activities. All preparations will be made and they will stay in the barracks. The second day begins with morning drills and exercises. This will continue until day 9. After the drills, radio phraseology and aircraft marshalling are discussed with the students. On the third day, the students are taught about disaster preparedness and response, SAR equipment, knot tying, and rappelling. After the demonstrations and lessons, the students will participate in practical demonstrations and activities. Then, the team building activities commences. Day 4 begins with morning drills and exercises, and the day proceeds with lectures on disaster preparedness and response, standard first aid and basic life support. Afterwards, the students will demonstrate what they've learned on practical activities. The day ends with another team building activity. Day 5 kicks off with lessons on disaster preparedness and response, CSSR, SARAT, after the morning drills and exercises. Practical activities and demonstrations are done after lectures and the team building activities commences. Day 6 is where the fun begins. Students are taught about water rescue, still under disaster preparedness and response. Students are taught how to swim, how to save drowning people, and how to escape from drowning people. The day ends with team building activities. Day 7 is where students try out the obstacle course, which is usually given to Air Force trainees at their third month. Students spend the whole day going through different obstacles on this course. After the morning drills and exercises, students are taught about jungle survival. The last of the morning drills and exercises kicks off, after which the students will undergo a written examination, which covers all topics for the past week. Practical examinations will also be given for the application of all skills learned. At day 10, students graduate from the training program and attend the exit call and closing ceremony. Students with the highest scores on written exams and other activities are given recognition, as well as groups and platoons that excelled at team building activities. The class marcher shares the final speech and students are dismissed. A dinner is held right after and the program officially ends. After this program, BSAT students will begin their ground school preparations and will officially start the second phase of the BSAT course, which is the flight training. Always remember, future captains, dream big, aim high, and go follow your dream.